If you're following this channel for a while, then you know that I made several videos about the reMarkable 2, showing that it is only useful for very specific use cases. Even with its latest updates, it cannot compete, in my opinion, with an iPad using an Apple Pencil. Especially if you are a business professional trying to use those devices to take daily notes in meetings or to collect information for projects. It's so limited that by going digital using a reMarkable tablet, you won't even scratch the surface of what the digital world actually has to offer when it comes to efficient note-taking and effective information management. At the Paperless movement, and especially inside our membership, we provide you with real-world solutions tested for many years inside corporate and as entrepreneurs. This means our reviews are always from the perspective of our members, who are mainly business professionals and who want to use tools like the reMarkable or now the new Amazon Kindle Scribe to improve their day-to-day work. In fact, inside the community, it was one of our members reaching out asking for my opinion on the new Amazon Kindle Scribe and if it is any better than the reMarkable 2. So I thought to give a more detailed answer and to help even more people to make the best decision regarding the productivity tools they use, I decided to make this video for you. Yes, you can use the reMarkable or the Kindle Scribe to capture information, but you can also use a piece of paper to do the same thing. But what makes you more efficient and ultimately more productive is how you'll be able to retrieve your captured information the moment you need it to get work done without losing any time searching through your handwritten notes. Yes, the handwriting and drawing feeling is great compared to an iPad and Apple Pencil, with no doubt. Even with a paper-like screen protector applied to the iPad, the reMarkable still feels more like paper and the Kindle Scribe will too. And yes, having one device versus several paper notebooks is also an advantage. However, everything else those e-ink devices have to offer will add friction to your overall productivity if you compare it with other solutions like the iPad or a Windows Surface tablet. I know that the purpose of devices like the reMarkable and Amazon's new Kindle Scribe is to keep things simple and distraction-free. But at this price tag, you better get a basic iPad and an Apple Pencil. Do you want to be distraction-free? Just switch off notifications, install only the free Apple Notes app and watch my recent video where I show you 30+ features that you can use in Apple Notes that neither the reMarkable nor the new Kindle Scribe will ever be able to provide. As this is so obvious, I guess I don't even need to mention it, but you can use colors on the iPad too, while you are stuck on black, gray and grayish white on the reMarkable and the Kindle Scribe. And another thing that always makes me laugh is seeing these drawings on e-ink devices shown in their promotion videos. In my opinion, they cannot mean this seriously. And if you want to have the sensation of sketching with a pencil on paper, just do it on paper and then scan it with your iPad afterwards. Then you can add it into one of the hundreds of drawing apps to create colored masterpieces. I mean, look at this comparison. But I'm curious and open-minded to get a different perspective on this. So if you're an artist watching this and you love using an e-ink device versus paper or iPad, then let us know in the comments below what tablet you use and why. But color and the paper feeling aren't the things that I consider to be a real issue. I could even understand why people still want to get e-ink devices just for the simplicity, the indirect lighting, the distraction-free note-taking and the battery life. I get this. But what I don't believe is that you can be more productive using an e-ink device versus using an iPad and an Apple Pencil. And here is why. To me, the biggest issue with using e-ink devices is the lack of the ability to search my handwritten notes. Yes, I can convert my handwriting on the reMarkable into typed text. However, only if I want to share this text, for instance, via email. This also means that the reMarkable isn't indexing my notes for search. And worse, this conversion is only provided via the subscription service. While on the iPad, even with their free Apple Notes app and without any additional costs, You get the option to do a global search through all your handwriting in all your notebooks and all your Apple devices, even on MacBook and your iPhone. And you can even search for your handwritten annotations inside your PDF files and ebooks. As you can see on the title of the video. Why do I say the Kindle Scribe is worse than the reMarkable? Well, it has backlighting, that's better, right? Well, because they don't offer a basic option to convert your handwriting into text at the moment I make this video. Nor will they be able to search your handwriting. So the promotion that you can add fancy handwritten notes to your Kindle books is useless in my opinion. And then they say you can access those notes in an organized fashion. Look at this. It's just showing the notes in a sequential order. I just don't get it. Amazon certainly has all the tools and capacities to apply AI-supported handwriting to text conversion and search. So why don't they do it? I think this is because many people just don't know how powerful those features are in improving overall productivity. Sorry, but I had to laugh when I saw those notes in the trailer. Because we can use tools like Readwise that integrates with Kindle and will recognize my highlighted text in my Kindle books and automatically provides those highlights in many other note-taking applications such as Roam Research, Notion, Obsidian and many more. This allows us to build a very powerful, interconnected knowledge base just by highlighting interesting text inside my Kindle books or even via the Kindle app on the iPad. So why don't they provide any of those features with the stylus version? As professionals, we sit in meetings taking endless notes daily. So it is crucial for the sake of efficient work to access any captured information as quickly as possible. Going into folders, opening notebooks and manually searching for some information that you've written down somewhere is not only tedious when you are under time pressure, it is also no longer state of the art. I understand if the reMarkable or the Amazon Kindle Scribe is used for personal use cases. Also, they could be great for taking some temporary notes that will be further processed into a final knowledge base. But as soon you need to get professional work done, especially within a team, the lack of easy sharing options and proper two-way cloud synchronization adds friction to the overall business processes, just like paper notebooks do. If you struggle with your daily note-taking and information management and want to improve how you retrieve your captured knowledge in no time, then come and join us. Inside the Paperless Movement membership, we help you to get full control over your digital productivity by teaching you our iCore framework. You can learn and apply iCore to your own workflows in just 90 minutes. This means if you join today, you'll have changed the way you manage your information in order to get more work done by the end of today. Just go to our website paperlessmovement.com to learn more. And if you think this video was useful for your decision-making process, then give it a like, share it with like-minded people, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so I can catch you up next time.